Hi everyone, this is the square pushover. Now you can see the color balls. Here are 4 size resolution. Now let's open it. Here is the instruction manual. And this is the whole product. Now let's open the poly bag. Now let's use some carrots for testing. First, pull out the lid and put some carrots into the containers and start to chop. We can hold the products first and put the handle for fast cutting. Everything will be cut easily by 0 time pulling, as we have 3 brains inside. So for 1 pulling times, it will take to cut the food in 24 times. So generally, 1 to 5 times pulling for food roughly, 6 to 10 times will be medium, and 11 to 20 times will be extra fine cutting. After finishing the cutting, right now we need to pull out the lid and taste the vegetable for food directly. Now you can see the carrot. That's all, thank you.